Alright folks, we are here looking around. I'm doing two versions of this. Again, you're gonna have the 360 and the GoPro. Yeah, Mike, they got something in the back, like a little thing, like vendors and stuff. If you want to look at it, we can, but it is what it is. Alright, so we're only missing Ian. We're gonna find him. We're gonna find him. Oh, let me put this up. You know what? The weather sucks, man. When people are off, they want to freaking rain. During the week, it's gonna be nice. So it's whack.
Yo, this is great, baby. You love it? Whoa, that's a lot of bikes, man.
Yeah. No, this is nothing compared to like before. It used to be, we had that lot, this lot. Yeah, it was wild. One time I think we had 3 lots full, 3 or 4. All right. So we're gonna wait for Ian, or are we gonna take a walk? Good thing I got rain mode on that sucker. The bike look good, man. What's that?
I'm comfortable on it now.
Yeah, I can see it. That when we were doing the side by side, the camera's picking you up. It's like you have to become one with the machine, you know. So, all right, folks, we'll be back. Trying to do. Some dope bikes, man. That's sick. That is sick. That kind of looks like the guy that got ripped off at the sound show. I can see you on that for sure.
These are hot. That black one.
You see, I can do this red one. The black one, yeah, all right. Yeah, it got the matte black on it. And those bright lights are bright as hell, man. All right. And I bet you the front wheel alone is probably have, you know, you got the intake on the side. All right. Oh, man. Coming out with the sneezes. Oh, Mike is trying to check if they're from our town. Yeah, we're done by now. Alright. Get some more footage and once we get closer. Alright, be right back. Okay, this is a YouTube exclusive, or GoPro exclusive. I didn't want to use my 360. Oh, thank you. The only reason why I'm wearing it, I don't have a hat, and it's raining. And I'm bald, so yeah. And it's cold too. I've been out in the field in this weather, so.
Yeah, no, so you're used to it.
Yeah, it's just I don't want to get sick because, you know, heat escaping my head too fast. I'll probably have to buy a hat or a do-rag or something.
Is there? Oh, it does have a screen. I was like, man, it must suck riding in the rain.
Oh, no. Yeah, I can flip it and all that good stuff.
You're like, oh, he must be healthy with friggin' Ranger.
Oh, no. Predators have all their technology in place.
Okay. The only thing it doesn't make is coffee, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, this is a shortcut. Not as many vendors, yep.
Little stand, cheesesteaks and stuff.
Is this thing the light red?
Yeah.
All right. Just wanted to record a little bit.
This is the line for food.
I know. Yeah, usually they have the whole thing. Plus, yeah. Yeah, but worst comes to worst, I just gotta hit the restroom and we can take off. Hello.
Dad, you want your picture taken?
You ordered that special?
What's that?
You ordered that helmet special?
Yeah, yeah.
That's look nice.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
You want to take a picture? No.
Don't worry, I don't bite. I'm not like the one in the movie. Yeah, that's a long line. Yeah, if you want, we can rally the troops and head back.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
Get something even by us.
Yeah. We don't have to wait then.
Get me into the front. Yeah, I got it.
Oh, sure.
Bad.
Thank you.
It's awesome.
You have to post it in the Rolling Thunders page on the Facebook so I can see it. All right, thank you.
I'm ready to go back.
All right, yeah. So let's find these guys. So, yeah, they.
Thank you for your service.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right. Okay. They can't be that far.
Attention. I would love for you to just continue to eat, grab all your food, but we're going to move everything inside, so if you could join us at 1:45 inside the auditorium, we're going to take care of business inside and get some of you really sweet people out of the rain so you don't melt.
All right. How you doing?
All right, yourself. How the fuck do you see at?
I see fine. Yep.
All right, Jen. We going down to West Haven.
All right, so Mike, we'll head to the bikes and then we'll hit them up on the WhatsApp and let them know where we are, and then we'll just mount up from there. All right, YouTube. What's that?
I head right back to Galloping Hill.
All right. Oh yeah, we could just go there, grab a pizza or something.
You know, that's never a bad idea.
I know, especially for you. All right, folks. Due to the weather, we're gonna cut this short. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and shout out to everybody that participated and for the calls. What's going on? I must be freaking a bunch of people out, man. All right, folks. We'll see y'all later.